Hi and okay. On cue, my son is here to be in the background. Okay, baby. So hi and welcome back. So today, as you can see from the title, we have a lovely tutorial for the holidays, as in New Year's. So yeah, like I said, I don't know. So I just wanted to do a look today for New Year's. It's really simple. It's like the simplest thing or whatever. And I decided that I was going to use my makeup that I am going to use for my project pan. So some of the items that you do see in here today is from my project pan, especially what's on my eyes. And I use the Jaclyn Hill palette. So this is, so basically I'm just going to show you exactly how I got this look. Is really freaking simple. At first I was discouraged because how my cut crease was coming out and how my crease was blending out. Like I was always about to throw away the palette, but without these lights it actually does look a lot better. So also make sure to follow me on Instagram at Sierra's Makeup Corner. I'm gonna have it in the description box. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button